You hearing that, babe?
Are you hearing this?
Yeah? What the hell? It's like construction or something on the highway?
Just over there on Alameda. Construction, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it from
No, that's way too far from that.
Whoa! It can't be a plane.
Dude, no way.
I didn't even see him. I just called it in though. They said that several other people have called in already. Did you see anything on the news, Matty?
I don't have TV, but we can go look it up right now. I don't like the sound of that at all. Wow.